This is how you screen record on your iPhone with sound. I'm going to pull down from the top right. I have a little record button right there on the control panel. You probably don't have that there by default, so let's add it. Click on the plus icon in the top left. Now we get these little minuses and the apps are throbbing, for lack of a better word. Tap add to control down at the bottom, and that will give you a list of all the things you can add to control panel. And there's a lot, and various apps add more things like ChatGPT and ClickUp that you might not see on yours. So one of the options for the default iPhone iOS setup is screen recording. So just tap on that one and that will add it to the control panel. Then you can move it around, you can drag and drop it like apps, and there's spots you can see where they go, and you can also make some of them bigger if you want them really big. But that's a topic for a different video. Right now we just want to see how we can record stuff with sound. Okay, now that's there. Tap somewhere outside of an app in the control panel. And now if you single tap on this, it's going to start recording. We don't want to do that. We want to tap and hold on it. And that will allow us right here to choose the option of microphone on. It'll light up when the microphone is on, and you can also have microphone off. And here it says everything on your screen, including notifications, will be recorded. Enable Do Not Disturb to prevent unexpected notifications. Okay, great. And we can choose where the file is going to be saved from all those options. By default, I just put it into Photos, and then from there I share it to where I want it to go. Then we can tap on Start Recording here. Or, since the mic is turned on, it's going to remember that we want it turned on. When I tap and hold to open this again, you'll recall it was off the first time it came. Now it remembers that it's on. So now every time in the control panel, when I press record, it's going to count down and it's going to be recording with sound on. There's no way of knowing from this indicator whether sound is on. You just need to know in the settings that you set that. So when it's recording, you'll also notice up here, the clock has a red border behind it. That means you're recording. So if you ever start a recording but you forget to stop it, you'll see, because it's recording up here. To stop a recording, tap on the clock. You can press cancel in case you butt dialed that, but if you want to stop the recording, you can tap on stop. And now we get a notification right here. It's in our photos. You can tap on that. It'll go to photos, or it's going to wait till this goes away. I'll swipe it away. So I can show you the full deal, how to get there. Go to your Photos app, and here's our recording right here with sound. Let's see if it picked up the sound.
Things that you set that.
Oh, that's loud. Okay, yeah, I got the sound. Crank that a little high. Okay, so that's how you record. Okay, stop talking. There we go. That's how we record video, screen capture a video of our iPhone. And it screen captures whatever you're doing. So it's super handy if you want to show someone how to do stuff, even for making videos like this. That is super handy to have this feature. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. You've probably never done it. You should probably do it. So check out that video. I'll see you there.